Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing NYXI wireless Nintendo Switch controllers. So quick story, I had this controller about 2 months. It was hard for me to find a Nintendo Switch to use. So it took like 6 weeks to get it. Then I still wanted to mess around with the controller to give a full review of what I really think about the controller. I'm going to go off and tell you the 2 negative things that I think people aren't going to like. One of them was a little, I get it, so let's go to the straight negative to get that out the way. So the first thing is how you charge. To USB type C controller is a splitter, so you can plug that both in there if you're using this for the computer or any other devices. You got to plug it in to charge it together. Other than that, you could use your Nintendo Switch to charge it regular, like the regular Joy-Cons. The second thing is the NFC reader. Most third party, if not all third parties, don't have that reader, so it shouldn't even make a difference if you know what you're getting yourself into if you're using a third party controller. Now let's go through all the pros. I like this controller. It's light, it's big enough for my hands. What else? The functionality is on it is great. Man, it's a solid controller. It's durable. None of that playroom here on the Nintendo Switch. It looks great. None of that playroom when you sliding down the Joy-Con rails. What else? Okay, so let's go back into some more features and stuff like that. So we're gonna turn the controller on. As you can see right there, it wakes up the system. Let me just make sure all my buttons is I'm using Metroid for this video right now. So let's talk about the features. So in the back we have these nice buttons. You have the M, T, and you have the back buttons right here. The M means set, but I say mode because it's an M and I just want to say mode. Then you got T for turbo. That turbo button has 3 different functions, but we're gonna go through those functions right now. Okay, so to change, the first thing I want to do is to show you how to do the volume for the volume. I keep saying volume because it's go ups and down. The rumble for the controller. So you can set it up. So you hold the T button in the back and you just move either one. So T button for this side, and then you got to press the T button for that side individually. So you hold it, you can hear it. See? And then if I don't want no volume, see? And then it goes off, which is cool. I know you could do it through the Nintendo Switch, but if you want your left to rumble, not your right, it's pretty cool. So you hold the T button again, and if you want to change the colors, you just click it in. See, I'm gonna change. So the best feature with the T button is turbo. So hold the button. Let's say we're gonna do the shot button for Samus. You hold the turbo button, pick the shot button. There you go. You got turbo. So now if you want, let's say automatic, you just want her to shoot, or him or it to shoot, you hold turbo again, you press it, let it go. Automatic rapid fire. If you want to turn it off, you press it, hold it again. So now you want to set the button. You like, hey, I want to set that back button to be shot button. Okay, so you go hold the M button, you hold the shot button, and then you press the back button there. So you hold M, shot, back. See? So now when I shoot through the back, look at that. When I press the back button, I meant. So you could do it with the left. Let's say you want this aim to be there. So you go press M, aim, back button. There we go. So now we got the back button to aim, and we got this to shoot. Just like a regular shooter, which is cool, man, because it's comfortable in the hand. You know, usually these third-party controllers, you probably won't like hit or miss, but this one, durable, good function, battery life is like 6 to 8 hours. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. So I would give this, other than the 2 things right here, if they would have made this a charger for that and just use one plug, that would have been great. So I want to give this controller, because I want to say an 8 because of those 2. Other than that, this is a great controller. I think everybody should buy this controller. It's durable, lightweight, put it in your bag, keep it moving. This looks great on the Switch as well because there's no play there. So yeah, that's my review. Sorry for the long wait, but I will have one more videos coming out. This is just going to be like a video of different products that I'm using, and that's it. Please like, rate. Link's going to be in the description to go buy one, and y'all guys have a good day.